for the past year, we have some meetings to be was held in last year, and we attend the opening and closing ceremony of Hong Kong Engineers Week in March. We also support. We are the supporting organization of the Digital Economy Summit 2024 Hong Kong in April. We also the supporting organization of Hong Kong ICT Award 2024. We have technical visit to SIGGRAPH Technical College at Xiamen City in Guangdong province of China in May, and we of course we have the AGM Hong Kong SIGGRAPH professional chapter in June. So this is probably the activities held in last year, and but we have coming activities. For example, firstly we are currently planning and organizing a tour to visit the CG companies in Shenzhen on 29th November, 2 weeks later, and it's a cross-border activity from Hong Kong to Shenzhen. At the moment, there are many. I think I'm talking about the Hong Kong industry. There are many collaboration between Hong Kong and Shenzhen for a number of industries, but very few for CG industry. Okay. Through this visit, our chapter wants to understand the latest development of CG industry in Shenzhen or even in Greater Bay Area, in which the population is 10 times bigger than that in Hong Kong. It will let our members build up their network. I think there should be some synergies, and we will explore any opportunity of collaboration in the future. And secondly, in this week, on the same day, we also visit Baidu Shenzhen, China. Baidu is a provider of Chinese language internet search services. It offers a search engine that is a bundle of web search, video search, image search, news, web dictionary, top search, and search index and open platforms. It also offers some online marketing services and advertising services. P4P. Do you know what is P4P? Pay for performance. And also they have the marketing cloud platform and AI cloud. Besides that, we of course we just mentioned we will attend the SIGGRAPH Asia 2024 3 weeks later in Tokyo. Now we are going to form a tour and try to invite CG guys to join us. And finally, we will hold a joint meeting with Shanghai, Chengdu, and Shenzhen chapters, and with the title. The meeting title is Meeting Chapters in Asia, Welcoming AS 2025 to Hong Kong. The purpose is to promote SA 2025. We also invite the 2025 conference chair to join the meeting to say something about it. And we currently inviting speakers for the meeting. The meeting is scheduled at 9:30 to 11:30 in the morning on the 5th December, and the venue is at room 4G410. So yeah, this is the end of my report. So thank you.